Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing you no longer need your 9-to-5 job because an AI tool is doing it better, faster, and cheaper. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's already happening. In 2025, thousands of people are using AI tools to replace their full-time jobs. And today, I'll show you 10 of the most powerful ones that could literally do the same for you. The world of work has changed forever. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a full-blown revolution. People used to say, AI will replace jobs, but now, AI is creating jobs for those who know how to use it. So in this video, I'll walk you through 10 real AI tools that can replace a full-time job in 2025. These tools don't require coding skills, expensive setups, or a computer science degree. Just your willingness to learn and take action. Ready to see how people are earning full-time incomes from home with nothing but AI? Let's get started. 1. Chat GPT, the digital writer that never sleeps. Meet Chat GPT, your personal assistant, copywriter, and problem solver, all in one. This AI can write blogs, create YouTube scripts, draft emails, and even handle customer support. Thousands of freelancers now use Chat GPT to run their own writing businesses. For instance, one writer named Alex quit his 9-to-5 and now earns over $6,000 a month writing website copy powered by Chat GPT. You can do the same, offer writing, editing, or brainstorming services on Fiverr or Upwork, and let Chat GPT do 80% of the heavy lifting. 2. Midjourney, the artist that never runs out of ideas. If you think only designers can make a living creating visuals, think again. Midjourney uses AI to create stunning images, logos, and concept art in seconds. People are making money designing t-shirt art, YouTube thumbnails, game assets, and even NFTs. Think of it as hiring a full design team, but it costs you nothing. You just type your idea and Midjourney paints it for you. Graphic designers used to take days. Midjourney does it in seconds. 3. 11 Labs, the voice that sounds human. Imagine cloning your voice and having it narrate videos while you sleep. That's 11 Labs. This AI generates ultra-realistic voiceovers, perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, or audiobooks. Many faceless channels use 11 Labs to create entire videos without recording a single word. You can turn this into a service, sell AI voiceovers, podcast narration, or ad scripts. It's like hiring a professional voice actor, except it's you, multiplied by AI. 4. Synthesia, the virtual presenter. What if you could make professional talking head videos without ever appearing on camera? Enter Synthesia. This AI turns text into videos using lifelike virtual presenters. Companies are using it for training, marketing, and social media content. You type a script, pick an AI avatar, and hit generate. In minutes, you've got a studio-quality video. No filming, no editing, no stress. One freelancer reportedly made over $3,000 a month producing AI training videos for startups using Synthesia. 5. Notion AI, the productivity brain. Notion AI is like your smart assistant that organizes everything for you. Planning, writing, summarizing, or brainstorming. If you're a virtual assistant, project manager, or freelancer, Notion AI can automate 70% of your daily work. People use it to manage client projects, schedule posts, write emails, and even track finances. It's like having a personal secretary that never takes a lunch break. 6. Durable, the AI website builder. Building websites used to take weeks. Now it takes 30 seconds. Durable uses AI to build entire websites from a single prompt. You just describe your business idea and boom, a full site with copy, layout, and images appears. Web developers are using Durable to create websites for small businesses, charging $300 to $500 each. Even if you've never coded before, you can launch a web design business using this tool alone. Durable doesn't just build websites, it builds opportunities. 7. Opus Clip, the video editor that works on autopilot. Video editing can be time-consuming. That's where Opus Clip comes in. It takes long videos, like podcasts or YouTube videos, and automatically turns them into short, viral clips with captions and dynamic zooms. Imagine offering this as a service to creators or businesses. They record, you feed it to Opus Clip, and you deliver ready-to-post content, all while making $100 a day or more. It's like having a full-time video editor who never complains or sleeps. 8. Copy.ai, the marketing department in a box. Copy.ai is a powerhouse for marketers. It writes ad copy, emails, landing pages, and product descriptions instantly. If you've ever seen those catchy Facebook or TikTok ads, most of them were probably written with the help of AI. Freelancers are using Copy.ai to handle multiple clients at once, producing high-quality content at lightning speed. One user even reported tripling his client load without hiring extra help, because AI became his secret team. 9. Fireflies.ai, the meeting note taker. Tired of endless Zoom meetings? Fireflies.ai records, transcribes, and summarizes everything automatically. Virtual assistants and team managers are using it to handle client calls, summarize tasks, and send updates. It's like hiring a personal note taker who never misses a detail. You can even sell transcription or meeting summary services to busy professionals, all automated by Fireflies. That's $20 to $50 per meeting, easy money for minimal effort. 10. Looka, the AI brand builder. And finally, Looka, your all-in-one AI branding expert. It designs logos, creates brand kits, and builds marketing assets for new businesses. Entrepreneurs use it to create full visual brands in under an hour. You can offer branding services using Looka. Design a logo, pick a color palette, and sell a full brand package for $150 or more. That's what used to take days of manual design work, now done by AI in minutes. Here's the truth. AI isn't coming for your job. It's coming for your excuses. Because the people who are winning in 2025 aren't the smartest or richest. They're the ones using AI the fastest. You don't need a degree, fancy equipment, or a corporate office. You just need curiosity, consistency, and a laptop. So pick one of these tools, explore it tonight, and ask yourself, how can I use this to earn $100 a day? Because while others are worrying about AI taking over, you'll be the one making money from it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It helps more people discover real ways to grow online. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Magnets for more practical videos on AI, side hustles, and financial freedom. Your next paycheck might just come from an AI tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.